The pit viper is a family of venomous snakes known for their distinctive facial pits, which are sensory organs that help them detect infrared radiation, or heat, from warm-blooded prey. These snakes belong to the family Viperidae, which includes several genera such as Agkistrodon, Bothrops, Crotalus, and Cistrurus. They are found primarily in the Americas, Asia, and parts of Europe. Here's a detailed explanation of key features of pit vipers' facial pits. The most distinguishing feature of pit vipers is the presence of two small, heat-sensitive pits located on either side of their head, between the eye and the nostril. These pits allow the snake to detect infrared radiation, enabling them to locate warm-blooded prey even in complete darkness. This adaptation is particularly useful for nocturnal hunting. Head-shaped pit vipers typically have a triangular or broad, flattened head, which helps distinguish them from non-venomous snakes. Eyes. Their vertical, slit-shaped pupils are another distinguishing feature, providing them with better control over the amount of light entering their eyes. Fangs. Pit vipers have long, hollow fangs that they can extend to inject venom. These fangs are retractable when not in use. Scales. Their skin is covered in keeled scales which give their bodies a rough texture. Type pit viper venom is primarily a mixture of hemotoxins that cause tissue damage, blood clotting disorders, and potentially organ failure in their prey. Their venom can be deadly to small mammals, birds, and even humans if not treated. Purpose. The venom helps to immobilize and digest prey by breaking down tissues, allowing the snake to swallow prey whole. Venom delivery. When the snake strikes, the fangs inject venom deep into the prey's body. The amount of venom injected can vary depending on the size of the prey and the snake's hunger. Diet. Pit vipers are carnivores and primarily feed on small mammals, amphibians, reptiles, and birds. They are ambush predators and use their heat-sensing pits to detect prey that is warm-blooded. Hunting technique. Pit vipers typically lie in wait, camouflaged by their surroundings until they detect a heat signature from a nearby animal. Once they locate the prey, they strike quickly, injecting venom. Afterward, they wait for the prey to succumb to the effects of the venom, then swallow it whole. Pit vipers can be found in a variety of habitats ranging from deserts to forests, and even in mountainous regions. They tend to prefer areas with dense vegetation, rocky outcroppings, or areas near water sources. The species within this family have adapted to their local environments with specific camouflage patterns that help them blend in with their surroundings. Some of the best-known pit viper species include rattlesnakes, like Crotalus and Cistrurus. Found in North and South America, rattlesnakes are among the most famous pit vipers, easily recognized by the rattles at the end of their tails. Copperheads, or Agkistrodon contortrix, native to North America. Copperheads are known for their reddish-brown, copper-colored heads and distinctive hourglass patterns on their bodies. Cottonmouths, also known as Agkistrodon piscivorus, or water moccasins, are found in the southeastern United States, often near bodies of water. Fer-de-lance, or Bothrops asper, found in Central and South America. This species is notorious for its aggressive behavior and potent venom. The distribution of pit vipers is wide-ranging, with some species thriving in tropical regions, while others inhabit more temperate climates. Pit vipers are generally not aggressive unless, well, threatened. They may warn potential threats by rattling their tails, in the case of rattlesnakes, or by displaying an open mouth. However, when threatened or surprised, they may strike without warning. When disturbed or cornered, pit vipers can strike rapidly and inject venom, but they typically prefer to avoid conflict and will retreat if possible. Most pit vipers are ovoviviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After mating, the female carries the developing embryos inside her body in eggs that hatch internally. The number of offspring can vary, but it usually ranges from 5 to 20 baby snakes depending on the species. The newborn pit vipers are independent from birth, and are equipped with venomous fangs for self-defense and hunting. While most pit viper species are not considered endangered, some, like the eastern Massasauga rattlesnake, are facing habitat loss and other threats due to human activities. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these species and their habitats. Pit viper bites can be dangerous to humans. However, fatalities are rare due to the availability of antivenoms and medical treatments. The severity of the bite depends on factors such as the amount of venom injected, the location of the bite, and how quickly medical help is received. Pit viper venom contains various compounds that have been studied for potential medical uses, such as in blood pressure regulation and the development of anticoagulants. Pit vipers play an important role in controlling populations of rodents and other small animals, helping to maintain the balance in their ecosystems. By hunting and consuming prey, they help regulate populations that could otherwise grow